In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to watch NFL Sunday Ticket on your Xbox console. Turn on your Xbox and from the home screen, go to the Microsoft Store. In the store, search for YouTube. Select the official YouTube app and click Install. Once installed, open the app from your Xbox dashboard. Inside the YouTube app, sign in with the Google account that has your NFL Sunday Ticket subscription. Make sure it's the same account you used when purchasing Sunday Ticket. Use the YouTube search bar and type NFL Sunday Ticket. This will bring you to the Sunday Ticket Hub, where all the live games and replays are available. Select the game you want to watch and hit play. On Xbox, you may also be able to use Multiview to watch multiple games at once. Perfect for football Sundays. And that's it. That's how you can watch NFL Sunday Ticket on Xbox. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.